Hello students, now I am going to teach you lesson number 10, Weather. Why is it that at times we feel so hot and at times so cold? It is due to changes in weather. Weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. Atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the earth. The weather at a particular place depends on three elements: the sun, wind, and clouds, formed by water vapor present in the air. Sun. The sun is the basic determiner of weather. The sun is the main source of heat and light on the earth. It heats the air, land, and water. This results in the blowing of wind, formation of cloud, and falling of rain. At noon, the sun is over our head and the rays fall straight on the earth. That is why noon is the hottest part of the day. In the morning and evening, the rays of the sun fall slanted. Hence it is cooler then. Wind. Moving air is called wind. When the motion of air is soft and gentle, it is called the breeze. A light breeze can lift your kite up. During summer, hot wind, also called loo, blows. Cold wind blows during the winter and chills the weather. Strong winds cause storms which can uproot trees and cause damage to crops, property, and life. Clouds. Look up in the sky and you may see clouds. A cloud is a large collection of very tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. Though clouds bring rain, sometimes the clouds' days and nights are quite warm, as the clouds do not allow the heat of the land to escape. How clouds are formed? Water from rivers and oceans get evaporated due to the sun rays, then it goes into the sky. Water vapor condenses, means cools down to form a collection of water droplets. When enough water is held in the cloud, it gets heavy. The water drops come down as a rain or snow. In this way, clouds are formed. Seasons. Some days of the year are hot and some quite cold. Weather changes every 3 to 4 months. This cycle of weather changes is called season. In India, there are 5 main seasons in a year. They are summer, rainy, autumn, winter, and spring. Summer. The summer months are the months from April to June. During the summer months, the days are long, sunny, and hot. We like to stay indoors in the chill of air conditioners and coolers. We wear cotton clothes and dress up in shorts, t-shirts, sandals, and sneakers. We drink a lot of water and cold drinks. We like to eat ice creams and kulfis. Sunglasses help in protecting our eyes from the glare of the sun. Rainy season. The wind that brings rain in India is called the monsoon. Monsoon season spans the months of June to August. When it rains, the weather becomes pleasant. We use raincoats and umbrellas to keep ourselves dry when we go out in the rain. Rainwater seeps into the soil and collects as puddles. These puddles help mosquitoes to breed and spread diseases. Heavy rains can cause floods. Autumn. The autumn season follows the rainy season, spanning the months of September to November. The weather is neither hot nor cold. Another name of autumn is fall. During fall, leaves turn red, orange, yellow, and brown and fall off the trees. Birds' nests are empty. Many crops are harvested in this season. Winter. The winter in India spans the months of December till February. In winter, the weather is cold. Some places, particularly hilly areas, experiences snowfall. Days are short and nights are long. Tree branches are bare. Some animals go into a long winter sleep called hibernation. We wear woolen clothes and enjoy drinking coffee, tea, and hot milk. Spring. March and April is the spring season. Spring is the most pleasant and beautiful season. Days and nights are equal length and the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. Tiny green birds appear on tree branches and flowers burst into bloom. Grass becomes bright green again. From a dull brown in winter, animals come out of hibernation. Birds sing at their nest and bees hum around the flowers. People are in a festive mood. They celebrate the festivals of Holi, Bihu, and Basant Panchami. Many crops like wheat, gram, barley, etc. are harvested in this season. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.